Hello students, welcome to All Scholar classes. So today from class 5th maths, I am going to take the chapter 2, that is rounding of numbers. This is very easy and very interesting chapter, and rounding off is required everywhere in our life. Okay, so we must be very clear to that. Now what does rounding off means? Suppose if somebody asks you what is your weight, you will say 40 kg. It's around 40 kg. What does 40 means? Around 40 kg, it may be 41, it may be 42. Okay, so you have just rounded off it to the nearest value. Approx. Sometimes you must have seen that if you asked somebody what is the price of this cloth, he says approx 700. So it may be 675, it may be 690. Okay, so approx or round off, these are similar kind of word, which means nearby. Rounding off means what? Nearby, or you can say the nearest value. Fine, whatever is near. So rounding off can be rounding off to the nearest 10, rounding off to the nearest 100, or rounding off the number to the nearest 1000. Okay, so one by one we will see all of them. So first let's see rounding off a number to the nearest 10. Okay. One number to the nearest 10. Okay. So let's take example. Suppose we have taken a number 86. So we have to round it off. Okay. So in a scale, let's make 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. Okay, so here we have taken, we have to round it off to the nearest 10. So which number we have taken? 86. Now the 10, nearest 10 can be 80 or nearest 10 can be 90. So we will see which is nearest to it. So 86 is near to 90 or 86 is near to 80. If you will see, 80 is far away, 90 is close to 86. So the rounding off of 86 nearest to the 10 will be 90. Okay, similarly, second example, let's take 82. Okay, if we will take 82, 82 is nearest to 80 or 82 is nearest to 80 or it is nearest to 90. 82. So 82 is nearest to 80. Only 1, 2 is left and there it is far away. So 82 nearest to the 10 will be 80. So what we got to know that it's mainly that if the second, the tens place is more than 5 or it's 5, we take it to the greater value. For 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, the nearest 10 will be 90. And for 84, 83, 82, 81, the nearest 10 will be 80. Okay? So 5 or greater than 5. Okay? Is going to give you the large value of 10. And if it is less than 5, then the number of rounding off will go to 160. Okay, so rounding off number to the nearest 10 is clear to you all. Okay, now we will do for rounding off number to the nearest 100. Okay, the second one is rounding of the number to the nearest 100. Okay, so the round of a number to the nearest 100, we have to round off the multiple of 100 near to that number. Okay, a number in the midway is always rounded off. Fine, let's take example 329. Okay, so we have to round it off to the nearest 100. So if 329, it can be 300 or 400. Okay, now let's see, 329 is near to 300 or 329 is near to 400. It is near to 300. So the rounding off to the 100 will be, the answer will be 300. Now at the same place, if it would have been 365, okay? Then again 300 is near or 400? Here if you will see, this is going to be near to 400. So the rounding off of 365 will be 400. Okay, so in the 10 nearest, we have seen that if it is for the last 10 number, we will see the digit that is on the 10th place, whether it is less than 5 or greater than. Here we will see that whether it is near to the which 100, the lower one or to the upper one. Okay, so these two examples will make you clear of rounding of a number to the nearest 100. Next, we will see the rounding of a number to the nearest 1000. Okay, so it is similar to the way as we have done of 100. Okay, so rounding off a number to the nearest 1000 is, we will round it off to the multiple of 1000 which is near to a number. Okay, a number which is in the midway to be rounded off. Let's take an example 395. Okay, if we are taking this number, it will be rounded off to, if we will round it off to 3000, no, we will round it off to the 4000. Why? Because 3958 is near to 4000 as compared to 3000. Similarly, if the number was 3245, now we will make it what? We will make it 3000. The nearest 1000 will be 3000. Why it is so? Because 3245 is near to 3000 as compared to 4000. Okay, so this is very simple. We can do the nearest 100, 1000 and 10th place like this. Okay, so I hope it must be clear to you. Now we will do some of the questions. We will see some of the questions. Now we will solve some of the questions. So first we will round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, so for the 10 we will see 748. So for 10 you see this number 48 is nearest to Which nearest 10 number it is? 20. So 7420. Again you come here, 472. So 72 is nearest to which 10 number? 70 or 80? It is 70. Okay, 80 is bit far. So 470. Okay. Next is 31. So 31 is nearest to which 10 number? 30 or 40? It is 30. 40 is far. So this will be 30. Okay. So I hope it must be very clear to you. It is very easy. You have to just see that which 10 number is nearby. Either it's near to and one rule I have already told you. 1 to 4 will go to the lower side and 5 or greater than 5 will go to the higher side. Okay. Now next question what we are going to do, round off the following numbers to the nearest 100. Okay. So we have to see for nearest 100. Now the first one is 657. So the nearest 100 can be 600 or it can be 700. Okay. So if you will see 657 is near to 700 as compared to 600. Okay. So this is going to give you the answer 700. Next comes 3129. If you will see this number, it is nearest to 3100 or okay 3100. If we will go for 3200, it will be far away. Now next is 3388. If for this we will see, so 3300 or 3400. So 3388 is near to 3400. Okay, it is not near to that. Fine? Is that clear to you? Because after 88 it will come soon. Next comes 2859. Okay, so for this also 2800 or 2900. So which 100 digit is near? 2900. Okay, so the answer will be 2900. Fine. Now next, round off the given numbers to the nearest 1000. Now we will see for the 1000. So this number is 2929. Okay, it can give you either 2000, okay, or it can give you 3000. So 2929 is near to 3000. Okay, so this will be the answer. You have to see both the aspects, whether it is near to the lower number or near to the higher number. Okay. Next is 15496. Okay. So in this case, 15 because if we will go for 16,000, it will be more. So we will go for the lower side. Okay. Now 80,500. This will give you what? It's already 81,000. Okay. Next is 6364. Okay. So it will be near to 6,000. Okay. So I hope these answers are clear to you. Okay. So next we will see the rounding of large numbers. How we can round off large numbers. Now we will see the rounding of large numbers. Okay. So here I have taken an example. Let's see this number. This 9 is at the place ones, tens, 100, Okay. So 2 will be 3 because 8 is greater than 5. And rest all numbers we will replace by 0. So we will replace 8, 5, 6, 9 with 0. Okay. 8, 5, 6, 9. All replace with the 0. So 2, 8, 5, 6, 9 will give you the nearest number, this. Okay. 30,000. Now next we will see this number. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So if a number is in lakh, we will see which number? The one that is at the place of 10,000. Whether it is greater than 5 or not. So here in this case again the number is 6, which is greater than 5. So we are going to increase the number which is earlier to this number to the 1. So it is going to be 3 and 8 we will increase 1, it will give you 9. And rest all the numbers will be replaced by 0. So 6 will be replaced by 0. Again 6 will be replaced by 0. 9 with 0. 2 with 0 and here 0. So the answer will be this. Okay.